Hi there. Today we're gonna talk about my watering system for the chickens. So here we have 3 tanks. We have 1, 2, 3, and we have the inlet. This is where the water goes in, and this is the outlet. So the water comes from our well, it climbs through the tap into the filter. This is an inline filter. I'll take it apart and show it to you. And there we have the entrance to the tank. It's just a tap. We have a hole in the tank, in the tap, and it falls down. So let me show you the first thing. I'm gonna show you the filter. So here we have the filter. It's clean, and usually the water will go up inside it, and all the gravel and stuff will get stuck in it. It's very fine meshed, and it doesn't stop the flow of the water usually. Usually when it stops, it means we haven't cleaned it for a long time. So we have the inline, three inlines, and then we have the outline going to the watering cans for the chickens, for the drinkers. So we have these, as you can see, the water. These are the markers. This is acrylic, and so we can see at what level they are. So we know that it is filled up to here. To clean these pipes, we also have a long serpentine brush. We just push it in and it will clean any out, usually by using a ladder. I'm not that tall. And also the tap where we extract the water, where we take from it to the drinkers, is just about an inch up to 2 inches above the base. That means any debris will fall in the base and won't ever get sucked in the tank. As the water is going towards the tank, towards the drinkers, we have another inline filter, which is very fine. And as you can see, another tip is the water barrels are up high. That is so we have gravity helping us, and we don't need any pressure. Gravity helps us by feeding all the drinkers, so there is no trouble in there. I have these pipes which are clear. These are from the input, so that I can see if water is coming, if there is any clog, or if the water is dirty. From there we go to the inside and we're gonna see the drinkers. So we have 2 pipes, each are going to a different drinker. I'm gonna show you the drinker. So we arrive to the drinker. It is connected directly, and here we can see fill it up. This is a spring valve, so when it is light, the spring will be open. Wait, when it's light, it's open. So it upwards, as you can see, the water is flowing down. Hope you can see it. And when the weight to which it's marked, it will arrive, it will stop on its own. These drinkers are ideal because to clean them up, usually they are cleaned with a sponge once a week, and then usually if there is any dirt, we just rinse it around and we have it clean. That is nothing, that is discoloration from the plastic, there is no dirt there. And so, that is all. As you can see, it is filling up. Usually it won't take long. And if you have any additive, for example, I like to add a bit of vinegar once a week to the water. It cleanses both the drinker, if there are any parasites, and also It helps the chickens to keep an acidic gut, to break down any food in their gut. Hope you like this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.